Ordinarily, I get annoyed when I see the Christmas decorations go up right after Halloween, but not this year. Hi there, welcome to the Upcycle Design Lab. My name's Cindy and I craft using recycled and repurposed materials. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I made a cute little snowman decoration, and if you're interested in the complete list of materials you can find that in the description box below. Now I know it's only August, but what the heck, let's get ready for Christmas anyway. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have a few minutes, check out some of my other videos here or somewhere. And be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you back here soon in the lab.